How to change music length to any length. To begin, I added some videos and a music to my timeline, but the duration of music is too short and I want to increase it. The first way of doing this is to hold down the Alt key and drag the music to create some duplicates from it. Instead of doing this, first press the End key on your keyboard to move the playhead at the end of your clips. Now click on the time above timeline to select it, and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then select your music and go to Audio tab. In the Essential Sound panel, select the type of audio, mine is music. Now check the duration checkbox, and then set the method to remix. Now click on the target duration value and press Ctrl+V to paste the duration. Now Premiere remixed our music so it lasts until the entire video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.